17 verticals. One architecture. A system designed not to participate, but to supersede. We're told infrastructure meant pipes, roads, grids, concrete and dirt. But the CTMP isn't infrastructure. It's not a build-out, and it's not a project. It is the deletion of dependency. 17 verticals arranged not to scale, but to sever. Each one engineered to eliminate upstream leverage. Each one dissolving a link in the chain of scarcity. This is not a supply chain, this is a chain reaction. We don't begin with electrons, we begin with control of matter. We forge the TBMs to carve the channels. We cast our own steel to build the turbines. We mix concrete not to pour, but to platform. The sequence is surgical. This is industrial sovereignty. Only then, only once the groundwork owns itself, do we trigger the core. And from that core flows everything. Desalinated water, recoverable carbon, 2 billion cubic meters of carbon avoided per module, hydrogen, ammonia, methanol, synthetic methane, inputs internal, leakage 0. Each vertical is more than an asset. It's a refusal to rent, to wait, to ask. We do not import, we do not depend. Cement, internal. Wafers, printed. Data, isolated. Cooling, sovereign. Steel, molten from our own hand. There is no capex wasted. Every dollar turns twice before it exits. That's not efficiency, that's command. That's how a 300 gigawatt core posts 2.5 cents per kilowatt hour and finances a planetary scaffold without ever touching public debt. And this is not public, it's not a financing model, this is a structure as a signal. No equity above 35%, no IPO, ever, no revenue from the core. Sidecars monitor surplus, nothing more. Our design doesn't just protect, it enforces. No return without recursion. No ownership without obedience. This is capital constrained by conscience and code. These 17 verticals aren't products, they're preconditions. Each one engineered not to complete, but to conclude. This isn't a project, it's an endgame. The legacy economy isn't fought, it's simply bypassed. No debt, no capture, no compromise. 17 verticals. Not optional, not external, not for sale. They've already been designed and the override has already begun. We're not launching a campaign. We're logging a fracture. Some will cross, others won't. Either way, the divide is permanent. No debt, no capture, no compromise. This is the last grid.